Here's our next project. What do we got going on?
Broken sled. As you can see, this whole side is broken.
Okay, what's actually broken? What are we gonna fix?
We need to fix the bulkhead, which is this aluminum cast. There's a huge hole in it.
Can you see right out of it? Yep.
Yeah, you can see daylight. So this thing isn't floating, be sinking.
Anyways, with all his funny words, we're gonna tear this down, get a new bulkhead, put it back together. Should be quite the project. We've never done something like this, so we're gonna see how it goes. Stay tuned. We're back. Travis got a good little start on it. Start tearing her down. Yeah, this was tricky. You probably don't have any WD-40, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sweet.
But yeah, just drilled out, I think, 4 rivets so far. There's 2 on the bottom that were canked, but I got them, and then I got these 2 that I drilled out. And
Well,
now
this is
there's
supposed
these
to...
2 more. I can get that one in this.
And the other thing we don't have is a... Or do you have a splitter for the clutch?
Yeah, it's a tool.
Okay.
Should be a tool.
I'm gonna start tearing some of that apart, and we'll check back in with you here once we get down to more, I don't know, closer to where we need to be. I realized, Travis,
What?
2 years in a row, we take this out when we get back. We had to tear it down and fix something.
Yeah.
They cannot say you do not ride confident. You do not ride scared.
I'm out there in my zone, I guess. I don't know. Rock doesn't look that big.
Ain't afraid to risk it. We're getting down to where we can really see the damage.
Yeah.
Big hole. So we're gonna get her fixed. We're gonna get her fixed and put back together. And just remember, if you'd like a chance to buy this snowmobile, like, subscribe, reach out to me, and I'll sell it to you. Another update, we're getting closer. They weren't kidding when they said it was 14 hours.
Yeah.
What a job.
I was getting in here and being like, oh yeah, man, we got her. We only got one more bolt pull with this big go.
You're gonna have to lift up on the motor here because
It's gonna slide down.
no, I can't get this
Back out.
in far enough to get the socket out.
Oh, I see. Okay, well. You guys just sit high and pretty right there. Does it look stable to you?
Lift up like one. That side. Oh shit. You got a hold of it? Kinda?
Well, it's hitting on this now. You gotta go like your way.
There's no way to go my way.
Come back down. There you go.
Okay. You got it? Yeah. Okay. What's the bottom look like? Can I set it down?
Yeah, you can set it down on the bottom. Just gently.
Holy hell.
It's more like gas here now, man. Keep the propane heater off. Just for a little bit. There we go.
Are we gonna be able to get a motor back in?
Oh, baby. Look at that. Engine is out. Just sitting there. Now we just need to get all these other little pieces off and go get a new bulkhead.
Still, are we gonna be able to... We should probably find a way to take this off.
Yeah, we need to take that off, which is going to be a lot easier now. You can get a wrench in there underneath with the torque on top. Then you twist it this way.
Why is it so loose?
I don't know, factory, man. That's how it comes. Loose as can be. Worked good, though.
Okay.
I think we just start working on the A-arms now and the shocks. Just all that. We'll get the jack stands underneath it. Hold it up under the running boards. Kind of go from there then. And we'll be able to JB weld that one piece we need to.
Yeah. Made it to the good part. Man, there's not much there, huh?
No.
After the bulkhead.
No, there's not.
Welcome back to the Struggle Express. I don't know.
Struggle Express.
The bulkhead is off. That was not fun. We ended up taking a chisel in between the bulkhead and whatever this is, the other part of the frame. Kind of breaking the glue loose after we heated it a little bit. Probably wasn't the right way to go, but that's what we did. We got motor sitting back here, the bulkhead and pieces, suspension, upper steering, I don't even know.
Upper frame.
Upper frame, I don't know the terminology. We don't know how to do this. We have not done this. We're just going for it.
I feel like I'm going for this. Come on, baby.
So hopefully, next time you see us, we're putting it back together because we still need parts.
Yeah.
It's not Christmas, but it's like Christmas because we got the new bulkhead. This looks different.
It looks small, those things.
Maybe it looks different because it's not broken.
Yeah, it's super clean.
But
Yeah, it just goes together like that.
this looks way higher. What is this piece?
That's how it is.
Oh, well. Hopefully it's
It might
right.
be a little short.
We're ready to start putting it together.
But yeah, this needs to get up to room temperature here.
Throw in the oven.
Yeah,
425.
Fit in the oven, but I took the racks out. Now that we got the bulkhead, back to working on this. Right now I'm just working on cleaning up all the old adhesive that is on here. I already got this side kind of clean, and all I did was take this torch and that scraper right there and just heat it up and scraped. That's kind of what I was doing right here, and you can see where I haven't got adhesive off yet and where I have got it off. So this side's smooth, that side's still got some stuff on it. I still got to do this side right here. So, oh, and make sure you take this out. You don't want to torch that.
Here we are scraping off the old glue. What would you call this? Prepping the surface
Oh yeah.
for the new bulkhead. Right here in the good old, what is this, hack shop or chop shop.
Chop shop. This is the. Yeah, I'd say it's probably closer to a chop shop.
We need to put at the bottom, we are not trained professionals. Go ahead and try this at home.
Chop shop. The muffler shop.
See what we can do. Okay, we glued the first part together since we're so bad at filming. We really need a film guy. It's paying a lot. Free 99.
I don't know what the red X means, but I like green.
Let's get it. It stinks.
It smells bad.
So now we're gonna glue it to here. See if we can't film that. Glue. We're gonna start dabbing it up. Where we want it all around this.
Yes.
All around this. A little bit underneath, not up this.
That it?
Yep. So I think we're running into a problem here. Well, the fact that maybe we should have done left, right, instead of putting this together first. Does he see the old things? Alright, hold this. We already messed up. I'm gonna have to put this one on. We're gonna have to clean that up probably. Oh, we just lifted the motor in there again. Forgot to turn on the camera. We're just getting the motor mounts, the bolts set up. We've used the bolt. Yeah, that'll work too. Another mess up. We had the bushings in backwards, so now we're flipping them. You learn as you go on some of these jobs.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, motor's set in there, and then we're gonna have to start figuring out all this. There we go, motor's sitting in there. We're gonna start putting other pieces on. I don't know, we might just time lapse a little bit going together. It's just a lot of little pieces and parts.
Plug and play, baby.
I mean, if you're trying to do this project at home, just give me a call. I'll help you out.
Yeah.
What's the phone number?
I'll put my number in the phone book.
Here we go.
It looks like a snowmobile. We're gonna... We don't know. We got a lot of stuff put on. Only thing that's really off right now, other than the belt, is just plastics. Those are the old broken parts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it a couple pulls, see if she starts. See if she starts.
How many pulls?
Dude, old reliable, motor strong.
I'm thinking at least 5.
That's good. Yes.
Did the coolant go down at all?
That means we're not complete idiots. We took it apart and put it back together right the first time. Take that. Who's gonna take that, Polaris? I don't know.
No, Skidoo.
You know what's really bad? When you put something together and you have leftover parts or bolts. You know what's even worse? When you have this many And we have no idea where they go.
They don't look that important.
There we go, guys. All back together. Back looking like a snowmobile. Runs. Got it to run first try. That was pretty impressive for us.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Here's the broken stuff. But she's solid. Mint. 100%.
And for sale.
And for sale. 100% for sale. Because that was fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.